to another video. Yes, yeah, so, there's this icon. It's called the Moai icon, and you need to get 300,000 attempts. If you're close to that, just search up attempt grinder. And there's a bunch of them. So, if you want, you could make your own. You could make your own. I made my own. Yes, this is what it looks like. You get about 25 attempts per second, or attempts per 30 seconds. So, and yes, it does work. And yes, it does work. Look, so I have 4,238, and if I use my own one attempt, it changes. So you can make your own. Just remember to save it. Yeah, if you're too lazy to make one, just search it up and save it. Like this. So, I hope you have a fun, long grind trying to get the Moai icon. And goodbye, guys. Bye.